Hello everybody, I hope you're all well. Welcome to Unlimited Chinese with Waleed. If you want to learn Chinese language and especially preparation of HSK exams, so watch this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Today I discuss about the word which. So let's start. How to write the word which in Chinese pinyin. This is third tune. And how to pronounce the word which in Chinese language. Na. Say again. Na. Let's start character writing. How to write the word na in Chinese character. So let's start stroke 1, stroke 2, stroke 3, stroke 4, stroke 5, stroke 6, stroke 7, stroke 8, stroke 9, and the last stroke is stroke 10. How to use the word na in a Chinese sentence? So let's start. Ni shi na ko ren. Ni shi na ko ren. The word ni means you, and the word shi means is, and the word na means which, and the word ko means country, and the last word ren means person. Ni shi na ko ren means in which country you belong. Ni shi na ko ren, in which country you belong. I hope this video is very useful for you, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.